Good evening to everyone. Today we have to discuss about unitary method. Okay, so let us start without wasting any time. Suppose example I am taking directly taking I am example. See, if three men, if 1 minute, if 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 three men can do a piece of work in 6 days. Okay, so if three men can do a piece of work in 6 days, the same work, if I engage two men, so if engage two men for the same work, so how many days they should take to finish this work? Okay, we have to find. This type of questions is asking in RIMC, RMS, Sainik School, Navodaya, and most competitive examinations. So see, I am what to do. See here, if three men can do a piece of work in 6 days, so the same work, if I engage two men, so they will finish in how many days? This has to. If I engage three men, they are doing the job for 6 days. If I engage less men, so what happened? If I engage less men, so what happened? More days to will be take. Are you understood? See here, if three men engaged, it will take 6 days. If I engage shorter days, means less days, less means, if I engage less men, so what happened? If I engage to complete a work less men, so what happened? The number of days should be increased. So that is the concept. In this concept, if more days, if more days is in comparison, so the formula will be more upon less into individual value. What is here individual value? Individual value means which quantity we have to be find. This is men and this is number of days. We have comparing this men and number of days. So identity value means this one. Okay, more upon less into individual value. More upon less into individual value. So see here, more, what is more? 3 is more here. Okay, just wait. Here, what is more? 3 is more here, and less is how much? 2, and individual value is 6. So what happened? 2 1s are 2 3s are. What happened? 3 3s are 9. Here is days. So days will our answer. So what happened? 9 days will take. If I engage two men, they will finish the same work in 9 days. How many days? They will finish in 9 days. Okay. Next, second example. If I engage 4 men, they will finish in 16 days. Okay. So when I engage 4 men, they will finish the work in 16 days. If I increase the men, what happened? If I increase the men, so what happened? The working days should be decreased. Why decrease? Here I am engaging more men, more efficiency. What happened? If I engage more men, so what happened? The number of days is to be decreased. So what happened? Here is less. In comparison, less. So what happened? Less by more into individual value. See here, less is what? 4. More is 8 into individual value 16. 8 1s are 8 2s are. What happened? 4 2s are 8 days. 4 2s are 16. This is the 16 days. What happened? 8 days. What happened? 8 days. Are you understood? If I engage 8 men, they will finish in 8 days. In case of 4 men I engage, then 16 days will take. So in this type of question, we should do someone more for appropriate type of question. We should discuss another question. So Go further. See here. A truck needs 54 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 297 km. The diesel required by the truck to cover a distance of 550 km is. See here what happened. A truck needs 54 liter of diesel for covering a distance of 297 km. Okay, very good. The diesel required by the truck to cover a distance of so and so. So what happened here, asking is the diesel required. So diesel required means we should write on the right side, we should write diesel required on the right side, and here is petrol, not here is distance, so what happens here, distance, how much distance is here, distance is 297 km. To travel 297 km, there is required 54 liters of diesel. Okay, so what asking, so to cover distance 550 km, to cover distance 550 km, how much diesel is required, this is the question is asking. So go for solution. See here, what to find, we have to find here what to find, we have to find diesel, number of liter diesel required. So here I am writing, what happened here, okay, see here I am writing distance, and here I am diesel. Okay, how much distance is covered, 297 km, covering in travel in 54 liters. So a distance of 297 km, it takes 54 liter of diesel. Okay, so what to find, 550 km, if I travel 550 km, how much diesel to be consumed or to be required, how much, so 1 minute, what happened here, right. So here comparison, what happened in comparison, if here see 297 kilometers, to travel 297 kilometer, there is required 54 liters. If I increase the kilometer, if I increase the distance, so what happened, if I increase the distance, the diesel consumption, here see here I am increasing the distance, so what happened, the diesel also increase, so what happened, more liters should be required. So comparison, in comparison what happened, more, so more comparison is more, so our formula is more upon less into individual value. You got this, more means here what, 550 is the more and the less is 297, and individual value is 54 liters. So solve this, what happened, in 3 table we have to solve this one. See here, 3 9 the 27, 3 9 the 27. See here, 3 1 the 3, 3 8 the 14, 11 9 the 11, 11 5 the 55 0. So what happened? 9 1 the 9 2 the. So 50 into 2. 50 into 2 is nothing but 100 liters. This is our required answer. Have you got this one? Okay. Thank you very much. If you like my videos and if you interesting and if you like my videos, please share and like and do subscribe my channel so that interesting videos you should receive in future, and daily I have updated in my YouTube channel. So thank you very much.